Wait. It seems to me that I am not able to record. Yeah, but it's okay. Okay, so technique is actually um when you have problem, yeah, when you have problem, yeah, uh
Sorry,
before
sir.
sorry, what?
I actually the one who do the recording right now.
Oh, okay, very good, thank you, Ryan.
Do you want to do the recording? So I have
No, no,
to
no, no, it's
stop
okay,
first.
it's
Okay.
okay, yeah. So
So I continue record then.
as long as you save it and then send to me, okay, or
Okay.
you send to everybody, that is also going to be
Okay.
not a problem. Okay, so everybody, according to me, yeah, technique is general, yeah, technique is general, but tricks is on the spot. Okay, you prepare your technique before you are on the stage. Yeah, when you know that you are going to deliver your speech, so you prepare your technique. Okay, but when you are already on the stage, you use tricks. Yeah, for example, yeah, skillful is something related to how you use the podium, how you use the notes, how you communicate with audience. Those are techniques. But trick is something very unique. Yeah. Not in every moment you have that situation. So you trick is on the spot. Okay. For example, normally, yeah, everybody is listening to you, but today, yeah, the audiences are talking by themselves. So you think how the trick is to make your audience attracted to you, yeah, rather than talking by themselves. So trick is on the spot. Okay, this is a very theoretical thing, but what I want to stress is that when you are going to deliver, you need to think about the technique. Okay, but when you are already on the stage, you are in the middle of your speech, you need to use trick. That's what I have. Everybody, the purpose of our class is that you learn about technique and then trick, and then you are going to apply in your next speech today. Okay, so I'm not going to open any discussion too long because I want to give you more time to speak. Yeah, next we go to the next slide. I think I want to have Ervina.
Yes, technique related to text. The first full reading text technique, talking, political, inauguration, religious speech, and two, and the second half full reading text technique, lecturing, teaching, scientific, product knowledge speech, and number three, without text technique, storytelling, motivating, persuasive, argumentative.
Okay, Ervina, how many techniques are we talking now?
Three.
Three. And then they are all related to how you use a text, ya. How you use a text. Pak Maman, oke Pak Maman.
Rehan belum, Rehan.
Oh, Rehan kenapa? Udah. Malah dia yang record sekarang.
Oh gitu sih.
Oke. Makasih Pak Maman. Oke.
Terima kasih Pak Maman.
Pak Maman has a big attention to you, Ryan. Okay. He pops up his head to the club only for asking about you. Okay. So, before, for example, Ervina, somebody invites you to deliver a speech. Ervina, I want you to speak in front of the audience. Okay. And then you ask question. Is it going to be formal? Is it going to be a kind of religious speech? Is it going to be a fun speech? And then they give you information. So you can define the technique. Oh, this is a very formal, so I decide to use full reading text technique. Okay. And then somebody say, no, Ervina, you are going to tell a story. It is up to you what to say. So you say, oh, without text technique. Yeah. So that means you don't use any text at all. Yeah. But number one, it is okay for you to read the text, yeah, read a text. For example, in integration, for example, you know probably orasi ilmiah, yeah, scientific oration. That must be reading the text, yeah, fully, yeah, or at least 95% of reading the text. So that is okay, yeah. I'm not saying that reading text is bad. It depends on the situation. And then number two, half reading. And then number three, without text technique. For example, again, yeah, you are selling something, yeah, in the for some consumers, for example. Of course, you are not reading the text, but you are based on your experience telling about your benefit of your product. Yeah, that is without text technique. Yeah. Okay, next we are going to continue. Ervina, you look around and then find anybody you think can read. Yeah.
Kak Rehan.
Kak Rehan. Okay. Halo kakak. Read, read.
Hello. Thank you, Ervina. Techniques related to moves on stage. Number one, full back on podium techniques such as talking, political, inauguration, and religious speech.
Okay.
And then second is on-chair sitting position techniques such as lecturing, teaching, scientific speech. And then the third techniques is free moves and body gestures on stage techniques such as storytelling, motivating, persuasive, and argumentative speech.
Okay. Yeah. Rehan, can you explore what we are discussing here from the three?
We actually discussing how do we do the speech. Number one is it means that you are fully on the podium,
Okay.
which means that you are standing, not
Okay.
sitting or not laying down. So
Okay.
you're standing in the
Okay.
back of the podium, full
Okay.
from the beginning and until the end. And then in the second, it mix between on chair sitting position. So you can do the lecturing, teaching, scientific speech. So you do the sitting on the chair.
Okay.
And then the third technique is that you can move freely, and then as well as to do the body gestures on stage.
Okay.
For example, like in storytelling, motivating, persuasive. So you do freely. You can walk down the stage and then move forward or backward, something like that.
Okay. Okay, Raihan, if somebody invites you, okay, Raihan, we invite you to have a speech. This is going to be in the inauguration of your one of your children graduating from elementary schools. So what technique do you think? Number one, number two, or number three?
Number one,
Number one. Yeah, because what? Why? Because
because it's a formal
it's a formal.
occurrence. Yeah, formal.
So based on your assumption, so in your mind, oh, I have to be ready, standing in front of the people, and then maybe at the back of the podium, and then I'm going to make the situation formal. So that
Yes.
is what we are discussing. Okay. Okay, very good, Raihan. What
Thank
about
you, sir.
if somebody, hey, Raihan, I think you are good in telling a story, something like a legend or a funny story. So, are you going to do number three?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so that means, yeah, you are going to make yourself relaxing or more relaxing in order for you to deliver your speech, storytelling session, more fun. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Rehan, now find the next reader or, yeah, for discussion.
The next reader will be what do we have here? Hafiza.
Hafiza. Okay.
Just go back from market. Yes.
Picking up her mother, ya.
Yes.
Oke, Hafiza, it is time for you to read Juz 30 dan Juz 29. Oh, no. That is Hafiza for reciting Quran, ya. Okay, yes, read, Hafiza.
Okay, thank you, Karahan. And the next slide is about techniques related to use of tool.
Okay.
First, no tool technique.
Okay.
It's like talking, political, inauguration, religious speech.
Okay.
Second, with presentation tool technique. Lecturing, teaching, scientific speech. And the last, with demonstrating tool technique.
Okay.
It's like storytelling, motivating, persuasive, argumentative speech.
Okay, Afiza. So, is there anything you want to explain here? Would you please?
Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Or let me
I
ask you,
think
Hafiza. Okay, come on, speak.
explain more.
Oh,
Gitu.
okay. Or let me ask you. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. It seems to me that Hafiza has a lot of fan, yeah, at the background, yeah, at the back. It seems to me that everybody wants to have your signature, yeah. Okay, so Hafiza, um, if you are selling something, do you need to bring a kind of model or something like a product? What do you say?
I think when I delivering some product, I
No.
use the
You sell. You are selling.
oh I think use number 3.
Okay,
Number
number 3. Yeah. So give me
Because
example.
I sell the product, so I
Uh,
need the demonstrative tools. Like
Yes. For example, you are selling a handphone, the
yes,
latest model of handphone. So what do you bring? Do you bring your handphone or do you bring your boyfriend?
phone.
Okay, you. So
But
you.
the
Okay.
boyfriend is the model because
Oh, okay.
Good,
calling
good.
the
That
phone can be calling
okay.
selfie with boyfriend.
Wow. Okay.
Very good.
Very brilliant technique in selling, yeah. So you use your handphone as the demonstration, and then when you are practicing how to do selfie, you take your boyfriend, yeah. Okay, this is the way. Very good, very good one. Okay, for example, now you are presenting your product knowledge in front of your boss, yeah. What technique do you think you can do? Number 1, number 2. Yeah, for example, Hafiza, are you
Number
ready?
2.
Number 2. Okay. So you are going to use presentation tool, yeah?
Presentation.
For
Yes.
example, you have laptop, you have InFocus, you have
Yes.
maybe laser pointer, laser pointer. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
That's good. So that means you understand our discussion here. Is that okay, Hafiza? Brilliant. Okay, now Hafiza, you look around and then choose any handsome guy in this class to replace your boyfriend. Yeah.
You
But
don't
not
want to replace my boyfriend.
okay, but not Raihan, yeah, because Raihan is
I
huh?
maybe I I I can replace my boyfriend, but
Yeah.
I can choose one boy to read this
Okay.
presentation.
Wow.
Maybe Andiska, because
Andis.
Andiska is not camera on.
Ah,
Camera is
Andiska is not camera on. Okay, so that means Andiska needs to have camera on. Be careful, Hafiza. Whenever Andiska has this camera on, you will fall in love with him. And then you are thinking of replacing your boyfriend. Hello, Andiska.
Andiska will shining.
Oh, okay, Andiska. It seems to me that Andiska is preparing his makeup, yeah? No. Yeah. It seems to me that Hafiza Andiska is having problem maybe. I don't get any notification from him, yeah? So let's count 1, 2, 3. If there is no response from Andiska, you choose another handsome guy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I remind everybody to have camera on because I don't see Andiska in my Zoom here. Yeah, I see only those who have their camera on. Okay. Yeah, Hafiza, choose another guy. Yeah, I know that you are not replacing your boyfriend.
What are
Okay.
you thinking so hard, Hafiza?
Yeah, she's thinking so hard. Yeah, yeah. Mulai tergoda tampaknya Hafiza. Okay, Hafiza, you have only Udin and then Kevin, ya. Oh, Adli, Fadli. No, no,
You
no.
are muting, Hafiza.
Yeah, mute. She's speaking.
Burhanuddin, sir.
Oh, Burhan.
I just with my messenger. Udin Kevin,
Oh,
Udin Kevin, Burhanuddin.
wow.
Ah,
That is a very traditional way.
it's counting button, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Hafiza. Burhanuddin.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. Burhan, we continue. Uh, read please.
Technique related to communication with the audience.
Okay.
Number one-way communication, dominant technique, talking, political, inauguration, and religious speech. And the second one is two-way communication, dominant technique. Lecturing is the technique scientific and product knowledge speech.
How did you make that kind of intonation, Burhan? You sound like Indian, yeah. Okay.
I have
Like Darjit,
one
yeah.
winter.
Like Jarjit, yeah. You know, Okay. So Burhan, do you have anything to say about these 2 points?
So what I get it is communication with audience. That's it.
Okay, yeah. So for example, Burhan. Hi, Burhan, Mr. Burhan, you are going to have your speech in front of Jamaah Masjid, yeah? So you are going to have deliver a religious speech. So are you going to have number 1 or number 2 technique?
I chose the number one.
Okay. So because you are expecting that is going to be formal or informal?
Because it's regular speech is it's in because it's formal.
Formal. So you are going to deliver the speech and then nobody is going to interrupt you or something. You are not trying to have any communication, yeah, because this is religious speech, yeah. What about teaching? For example, you are teaching grammar to your friends, yeah, for example. Are you going to use number 1 or number 2 or number 3?
Because it's choosing the teaching, I choose number one, the two-way communication.
Oh, number 1?
Number two. I'm sorry.
Okay, two-way communication. Okay, now tell everybody what do you mean by, or how do you apply two-way communication?
How to apply the two-way communication is we'll choose the example of teaching. When the teaching, when you teaching or teaching somebody or someone else, that you teach the student or the listener,
Yeah, whoever.
whoever is that is must hearing
Oh, okay.
whatever is you say.
Okay. So that means you are not the only one who is speaking, right? Yeah,
Yes,
but you are giving them the chance to respond to you or answer your question. Very good, Burhan. Yeah. Okay, now we have the next some tricks, yeah. Burhan, you look around, choose the girl.
oh my God, the girl.
Yes. Are you going to choose a man?
Yes.
You are
But
normal, right?
okay. So the maybe Mbak Ranti.
Oh, Mbak Ranti. Okay. Why do you call her Mbak? Yeah.
Because he's older than me and elder than me.
Okay, okay, okay. Halo Mbak Ranti.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Ranti, what is the title you are going to discuss here?
Some tricks in public speaking. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, some tricks. In range of number, how are we going to discuss? How many tricks are we going to discuss? Guess, just guess.
Maybe 5.
Maybe
If
5.
it's 20, maybe it's too long, sir.
Okay, yeah, too many, yeah. Okay, the answer is that 13 tricks. Okay, yeah. Now let's see the first 8, yeah, 8 tricks. Read, please.
First, do weird acts.
Okay.
Give unique salutation.
Uh-huh.
Third, make provocative question.
Uh-huh.
Fourth, perform special skill.
Okay.
5, tell story,
Okay.
funny, sad, or true.
Uh-huh.
6, dramatize story.
Okay.
7, do personal chat.
Okay.
8, surprise audiences.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Ranti and others, before we discuss each of these trick, I need to tell you again, trick is something on the spot. It means that you can do it when you are in the middle of your speech. Okay, that is number one. But trick can be also in the beginning of your speech. Yeah. And trick can also be at the end or before you close the speech. Is that clear, Ranti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's discuss number one. Do weird X. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any example of weird X?
Maybe saying like, hello everyone, something like that.
Oh, not only saying hello everyone, but you do something. What did you do?
With the
your
nose, sir, with the
Oh, with
nose.
the nose. Okay. Okay. I
Weird
think
expression.
yeah, that is weird. That is weird. I think that is interesting. Okay. Maybe other people have their own weird X, right? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about number 2?
Yes. Give unique salutation.
Yeah.
Uh,
For example, do you have any?
I don't know, salutation is this, right?
Oh, okay, maybe
But
that
it
can.
depends on different people.
Okay, okay, that can be weird X maybe, yeah. But salutation here mean by oral, yeah, oral, yeah, yeah,
Oral.
yeah. Some
So by
people,
saying assalamualaikum,
yeah,
something like that.
that assalamualaikum is not unique. That is normal. That is general. But give me
This
something
is
unique.
normal.
Something unique. Something unique. Okay, before we invite anybody in this room, okay, don't have
Before
any.
we
Well, okay, don't have any example. Okay,
um
no. Okay, yeah.
no, sir.
Again, maybe somebody can give us the example. I'm counting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nobody. It's okay, no problem. Now number 3, provocative question, or maybe normal question. Yeah, that can be right. That can be a trick. Yeah.
Yes.
Ranti, do you know what is the benefit of making question?
Um, to give the audience, I mean, focus on us or looking at
Yeah,
us, what we are about to present.
yeah, that's very good. Yeah, that is a trick. In order for you to make them interested on us, we gave them question or something. Yeah, especially after you give them question and then you give kind of present to appreciate what they answer. That's very a trick. I think that is a very good trick. Yeah, and then perform special skill. Yeah. Do you have any idea? Okay, Ranti. Ranti, are you freezing? Ranti, she is
Yes, sir.
freezing.
Ranti is freezing.
I thought that she is thinking very hard.
No, no, no. I think that is her own special skill.
Yeah. She's
Okay.
asking our attention.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. That is the way how, that is the trick, yeah, belonging to. I'm
And
very
now she
sorry.
disappeared.
Oh my God. I'm very sorry. Okay.
And she's back.
Now she's back.
Yeah,
What happened?
someone kick me out of Zoom.
Oh my God. Who dares to do that to you? Okay. Okay. Ranti, let me ask you. Which one do you think you can do? Magic, singing on the stage, or acrobat?
Salto.
Is it the only option? There is no fourth option?
So, okay, now give me your special skill. What is your special skill?
I don't know what my special
Okay. If you don't know, that means number 4 is not applicable for you, yeah? Okay. Yeah, for anybody who can do magic, maybe short magic, that is okay. That is a trick. That is a trick, right? And then anybody who can sing, why not? Why not sing?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, but not a very, very amazing magic, for example, disappearing from the stage. Yeah, no. Because you are expected to have a speech. If you disappear, who is going to speak? Okay, and then number 5, tell story, dramatize story, do personal chat, yeah, and then surprise audiences. Surprise audiences, for example, you give them a happy birthday song, for example, for anybody who is having birthday at that time, for example. So this is
Oh, I
everybody.
thought it's like a gift, sir. I mean,
Okay,
like you asking someone who are able to answer your questions, and then you give to the person,
yeah,
like to make them interested
yeah,
to the topics that we are about to
yeah.
tell.
That is also a kind of surprise. Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, I just gave you one example of surprise. Yeah.
Or
Okay. Or maybe you make them surprised by bringing one mother or father on the stage, yeah? And then they will get, oh, that is my mother.
Or a cat, sir.
Or,
Just like Hafiza do.
oh, Hafiza.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's asking our attention with her cat.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I thought that is her boyfriend. Okay, now we go. Okay, now Ranti, still, number 9.
number 9, use various vocal power, intonation, stresses, pronunciation. 10, repeat important message or idea. 11, choose appropriate words or expressions. 12, use jokes. 13, maximize facial expressions and gestures.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Aranti, I changed my question. From number 9 to number 13, which one do you think you can do?
uh,
I
what I
think
can
number,
do?
I think
Maybe you maximize facial
oh,
expressions and gestures.
okay, so facial expression. Show me how you are angry.
Angry. So it means like you have to look very.
Wow, okay.
You open your eyes and look
Okay,
at the person.
okay. Okay. How if you are sympathizing on somebody's sadness? Yeah.
Sympathize.
You cry, yeah, you cry.
Oh,
Oh, oh.
cry. I feel sad for you.
Oh, that is too much. Yeah, crying is too much. Okay, okay. Okay, what about jokes? Do you have any joke?
No jokes, sir. Only joke.
Oh, jokes. I think that is a joke. That is a joke, yeah? From jokes to job, that is a joke. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. So everybody, these are all 13 tricks. Of course, there can be more than 13. Yeah. But my question to Ranti and anybody in this Zoom, is there any possibility that one person can do these all tricks?
Yes, he's the master.
Okay, Raihan. Have you ever found anybody with that capacity, Raihan?
Most of all, yes, professionally.
Wow. So that means Raihan is experienced in at least joining a seminar or something, and then you can find somebody delivering speech and then having their all those tricks. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
usually in Jakarta, actually, these skills should be owned by, for example, like Abang None. They
Oh,
should have this public speaking skills.
how do you know that? You used
Yeah.
to be an abang or you used to be a none?
No, I'm not either. But
Okay.
I met a
I
lot of them
see.
that they usually become a master of ceremony
I see. I
or a
see.
moderator in many formal occasion.
So you agree, you are telling that these are all skill or tricks, sorry, tricks
Yes.
that are beneficial, yeah, important.
Like number two, give unique salutation. Actually, the example is like giving pantun. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Pantun can be a salutation.
Yeah, of
Do
course.
you
And
do you
it's
recall
unique.
anybody? Do you recall anything, for example, Rehan?
Uh, I'm not good in making pantun, so I don't
Okay.
remember actually.
Yeah, okay. Maybe somebody here is good, yeah, in making pantun.
Yeah, because when doing pantun, we will expect public or audience to say cakep,
Oh
something
yeah.
like that.
Yeah. Yeah. In that part, I don't like it. Yeah. Yeah, because whenever they say cakep,
Uh-huh.
I feel nervous because they are
Feel like somebody calling you, right?
yeah, okay. And then I will forget everything what I say. Yeah. So I I don't open my speech with the uh pantun, yeah. But
Okay.
I can close the speech with pantun, yeah.
Okay.
Ikan hiu muter-muter.
Nice.
See you later.
Cakep.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, everybody, that is what we are discussing. Now it is time for everybody to be in the group, yeah. Everybody needs to listen very carefully. Why? Because I want everybody to maximize in the room having this moment to deliver. And in fact, you are going to get score. Yeah. If you don't perform well, yeah, your score might be lower. Yeah. Than you are expecting. Yeah. And this is supposed to be, let's say, professional. Yeah. As you are not thinking, oh, she is my friend or he is my friend, so I don't. It is okay. It is up to you. Maybe another person will think differently. Okay, number one, everybody is going to join in a group, okay? A room, I mean room. There will be room 4, room 5, and room 6, okay? And then what you do in the room is that you are free to choose any topic to speak, okay? Okay, because this is Zoom. So what you can do is only, yeah, maybe using your facial, your half of your body, because you are talking about from head to your chest, yeah. So I need you to do maximally in order to get better performance. What topic? Any kind of topic you want, yeah. Maybe the topic related to what we have discussed, or any story, maybe legend, or maybe a true story, your experience, it is up to you. Okay. Everybody is going to have, yeah, about 2.5 minutes. Okay. And then it is going to be recorded by the host. For room 4, Raihan is going to be the host or co-host. Room 5 is Udin's Seluruh Dunia. And then Ranti is the host of room 6. Yeah. It seems to me that we have Ervina, Raihan, Udin, Andiska, Feni, Ranti, Kevin. But I notice other students join here, but because they don't have any. Oh,
Yes, we still have Hafiza.
Hafiza, yeah. Hafiza, yeah, Hafiza doesn't open her.
Yeah,
Uh,
maybe she's going back to
okay.
the market. Oh, it is. She's
Oh,
there.
yeah, yeah. Okay, I thought she is consoling her boyfriend. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I repeat again. You join the room. But okay, I give you now, 5 minutes to prepare your speech, I give you now 5 minutes to prepare your speech. Maybe you write down a draft or something like that. And then after that, I will give you command to go to your own room, based on my instruction. For example, because Raihan is in room 4, Raihan, who do you want to join you?
I don't know. Anybody interested to join with me?
Yeah, don't worry. I will randomly mix the group later, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
Everybody will take turn, right?
yeah, everybody will take turn. So you don't want to
Okay.
choose. You don't want to choose.
Ervina and Kevin, maybe you
Okay.
can join with me.
Okay, Arvina and Kevin. Okay, wait. Don't move now. Don't move now. Burhan,
Yes, sir.
you choose two.
Oh my God, I don't know how to use some people. Like Mas Rehan said, and someone interested with me can join me.
He is so humble, like you, Raihan. So humble. Yeah. You know humble? Yeah. If you have too much chili, that is humble, yeah.
Iya, sambal pedas.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ranti, you choose anybody. You don't choose Ervina and Kevin because they belong to Raihan.
So who should I choose? Yeah.
Just random, because everybody is going to take turn, yeah.
Kevin and Penny.
No, Kevin is already chosen by
Oh,
Raihan.
Kevin is already. Penny and Andiska.
Okay, Penny and Andiska. You join, Penny, Andiska, you join Ranti. Room 6, yeah? Room 6, okay. Yeah, so Burhan, you have Hafiza, and then maybe me, yeah? Maybe me, yeah? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now everybody have your draft. I give you, 5 minutes, ya. Or maybe 3 to 5 minutes, ya. Start now, silakan bersiap-siap dengan draftnya. Sementara sambil dengerin azan, ya. Oke. Oh, nggak bisa. Nah, nah, nah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Oh, 2.5 minutes more. Just to remind you to open your Google form, ya. Your score will be in the Google form, ya.
Sir, sorry, the speech can we see in the internet or we must make our
Yeah.
own speech?
It is okay, no problem, because that is also part of the technique, right? But remember,
Oh, okay.
remember, you have a score, yeah, from your friend. Okay, your score will depend on your friend. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
the topic is up to me or not, sir?
up to you, Kevin.
Oh, like bad story like that, sir?
It is okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And again, sir,
Yes.
everybody will have like 2.5 minutes to do the
Yes.
speech, right?
So
Okay.
you are the host. You need to be also. You are the moderator. You need to be fair. Yeah. Okay.
So it means that after like 7 or 8 minutes, we'll go back to the main room.
Surely, surely.
All right.
Why? Because you are going to take turn to move to another room.
Sure.
But you are still in room 4. Yeah.
Okay.
But with different person. Okay. Okay, I think 1 minute more. After that, everybody gets back here because I still have one more to say. Yeah, I still have one more thing to say. Yeah, yeah. While waiting for the others, Burhan, are you ready with the topic?
Ready.
Okay, good. I know. I believe you. You are always ready. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
okay, yeah. If you don't have any topic, I can give you topic. Taufik Safalas, Taufik. Any topic you can choose. Okay.
Can you give me the topic Hidayah, sir?
Oke ya. Taufik Saparas udah meninggal ya Ama. Masya
Astagfirullah. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Okay. Okay, everybody, please have a camera to me. Yeah, because I'm going to start the delivering you to the room. Okay. This is what we call, how do you say, in Star Trek, yeah? Moving the body to different space, yeah? Different space. How do you say that, Raihan? Um, teleprom.
Teleport.
Teleports, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I need to tell you something. In your Google form, you have the first part is pronunciation or intonation. Sorry. Yeah, let me check again.
The first part is pronunciation.
Okay, the first part is pronunciation. So I need you everybody to focus only on pronunciation. Yeah. And then after that, I'm going to take you the second turn. Nanti pindah ke room lain. That is going to be what is that? Intonation. Ya. Oke, clear? Untuk yang teknik nanti beramai-ramai ya. Tekniknya nanti beramai-ramai. Jadi jangan dinilai tekniknya ya. Clear ya? Oke, kita mulai ya. 1, 2, 3, silakan gabung ke grupnya masing-masing.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, Kevin.
Bulan kita Zoom room berapa?
Kita di room 5.
Hah?
Di room 5.
Oh, oke.
Yeah, so now the students are in their own room. There are 3 students in room 4, and then 3 students in room 5, as I can see here. Okay, yeah. Room 4, there is Ervina and Kevin and Raihan. And then the other one is room 5, Burhan and Hafiza. And then room 6 is Andiska, Penny, Fatima, and Ranti. Yeah, okay. And then they are going to be there. And I hope they can do kind of recording, yeah. Okay. Yes. And they just start the first 1 minute, yeah, of their speech. I hope everybody can do maximally. And I will be joining room 5 maybe, but they will get. Siapa berdiri? Siapa berdiri? Okay. Burhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you successfully record?
Yes.
Okay.
So
So I need you to send the record to me, yeah, later. And then did you give the score to Hafiza?
not yet, sir. Is
Oh,
it now given
no,
the
for
report?
no, for pronunciation.
Yes, the pronunciation. Yes, sir.
Yeah, only for pronunciation. Hafiza, did you give score to Burhanuddin about pronunciation?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, only for pronunciation. Okay, yeah. Okay, Burhan, tell everybody to come back here
Uh,
in group, in group.
oh, wait. Okay, sir.
WhatsApp group. Okay.
Sir, I didn't join the group class.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Hafiza? After this, Hafiza, you will join to Ranti's group. Hello? Hafiza is freezing, Burhan. Yeah.
Is that true? Not. I think it's on mute.
Yes, sir. I always forget to turn
No.
on my mic.
I noticed that her mouth doesn't move. Yeah, it means that she doesn't say anything, or maybe she says something on her mind. Yeah, I don't understand.
I have to chat everyone, even the Kevin, to rejoin the break room, but they're not answering.
That's why Kevin is coming. Hey, hello, Kevin.
Kevin, you come back.
Yeah, finally Kevin is back. Yeah, it seems that he's just taken a very long road. Yeah, so look at Kevin. See, Kevin. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so let me ask you for sure. Yeah, Raihan, did you record?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you give score only for intonation and pronunciation?
Yeah, I'm giving right now.
Okay, good. Very good. What about you, Fanny Fatima? Did you give score to your partner in the group, in the room?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for pronunciation, yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah. Ranti, recording is okay?
Recording is okay, sir.
Okay,
It's
so
just the time.
okay.
The time passed very fast.
Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay. So Ranti and Raihan, I just need to make sure after the class is over, you send me the video, yeah.
Of
Okay.
course, sir.
Now we are going to have the second break room, yeah. So for Burhan, I want okay, Fanny Fatima, and then Andiska, you join Burhan, yeah. Kevin, you join Rehan. Yeah, Hafiza, you join Ranti. Now this time only 2 minutes. This time only 2 minutes. Okay, is that clear? I repeat again. Fanny, and then who's that? Andiska.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you send the link again, sir? Because today is losing my phone.
Sorry, it's not clear, Fanny. Sorry. What did you say?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Can you send the link of the link to
Who?
put my score, sir?
Oh, okay. The score, yeah. Okay. Check in the chat. Check in the chat. Yeah, okay. Don't worry. I can share you later. Yeah, but okay. If everybody is clear with the room, please go on now, except Fanny, because I need to send her the link. Yeah, that's it.
So
Yeah.
do we still make intonation score, sir?
No. Oh, this one is intonation.
Still
Only
intonation, right?
okay. Yeah.
But
Now.
with different, but with different person.
Yeah, with different person. Okay.
I had Kevin before, actually.
Oh, sorry. So Kevin is supposed to be with
Yeah.
Ranti then. Yeah, Ranti. Kevin with Ranti.
Okay.
Okay. So you are only having Hafizah, yeah, Raihan, yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go, Hafiza.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Burhan, go on. Rule
Oh,
5.
oh yeah, wait. Sorry, I'm sorry. Very sorry, sorry.
Penny and Andiska are waiting for you there. And this one is going to be 6 minutes only because they are having 2 minutes for each. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hey, Ervina. Very good. Yeah. So did you join Burhan? No, Ervina.
Yes, I join with Burhan.
So you are all four?
Yes, because I'm confused. I'm with the Ranti said.
Okay,
I'm with
okay.
Karehan.
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
Karhatsen, I'm with Udin.
Okay, okay, okay. But did you have the time to present, to have your speech?
Wait.
Okay, it's okay, yeah. Don't worry because you still have one more session and this is going to be here in the plenary room. And then this is going to be your technique or your trick, yeah. So everybody, welcome back to the main session. We still have another, according to my watch, we have another 13 minutes. So that means I believe everybody can do your speech within 1.5 minutes, yeah, to speak about anything, yeah, about your experience maybe in the room. And then I want you to maximize your technique and trick because this is time for everybody to give you score on your technique on the last part of your Google form, yeah. I repeat again. I want you to give your best speech today because everybody in this room is going to give you score. Yeah, this is more about technique and then more about uh, strict. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to start. Yeah, because according to the. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, I have here, wait a minute. I have, so I need you to make sure you have your your topic. It is up to you. It is still the same, up to you, whether or not you want to have, yeah. Okay, wait. Okay. Yeah, everybody is going to have. I think it is okay for everybody to give score on somebody's. Yeah, on pronunciation and Indonesian. Yeah, it is okay to have score for pronunciation and Indonesian in this moment. Yeah, Burhan, count 1, 2, 3, please. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ervin. Yay!
Arvina is the winner. Yay!
That the winner mean Ervina can choose anybody. So Ervina, you choose someone.
Karehan.
Oh. Okay, so that means Raihan starts. Yeah, everybody pay attention to Raihan. Yeah.
Okay, how many minutes we have?
Okay, Ranti, would you please set the alarm for 1.5 minutes?
Okay, 1.5 minutes. Okay, do I start now, Ranti?
Now start. Okay. Oh wait.
Okay. Oh wait. Okay.
You may start.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Raihan, and I'm here to present you the new product from the lens cleaning clip. Yes. If you can see here, I have a pen, but this is not actually an ordinary pen. This is actually a lens pen. You can find that www.lenspen.com. See, and this is actually to clean your lens. If you have like glasses like Mr. Ian has right now and Burhanuddin has also, or if you can if you also can clean your lens from the camera or your laptop screen or your camera on your smartphone, you can clean with this. So what is actually this? In the first ad, you can see a brush coming out from the lens, right? This is actually the same thing that usually Ranti, Ervina, and Hafiza use when having makeup, right? Like this. So you remove the dust from the lens, and then after that, in the other end, you will also find a special cloth that will clean a stain from your lens, yeah? Because sometimes if you use brush only, the stain will not finish. But if you use the clothes, you will also clean all the stain from your lens. So you can just easily find this on the market or in specialized in camera store with only like less than
Time's up.
100,000 rupiah.
Okay,
Thank you
applause,
very
applause,
much. Bye
applause.
bye.
Very good. Applause. Yeah. Okay. Score for Raihan, please. Score for Raihan.
Yeah, range 100 to 1,000, yeah.
Raihan, count 1, 2, 3, please.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Fanny, where is Fanny? Yeah. Fanny, is she?
I think she has around contact and say the group.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Raihan, one more, please.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay. Kevin, where is Kevin?
Hadir, sir.
Yeah, okay. It is your turn to choose.
Start now, sir.
Oh, yeah, okay, you start. Okay, you choose yourself. Okay. Okay. Everybody,
So,
Raihan, Ranti, still the timer, yeah? Okay. Yeah, Ranti?
Hold on. Okay, you can start.
okay, hello everyone. My name is Kevin. So I will tell about the pet story. It's exactly not for me. It's for my friends. So my friend is get racist from my friend in the class and outside. He always call black and slavery. So this is the first time I have experienced an incident like this. So such as racist. So I was a little surprised and funny because it turns out uh, there is still racist in the world now and nowadays, and my opinion, maybe racist is not like before. So maybe no, I think racist is like a joke or something. And actually, I had racist, but after I hearing racist or my friend call my friend is black or slavery, so I also laughed. So whether I was racist or not, I don't know. Maybe, yeah, I think it's just a joke, but it depends my friends, because if my friend think that is a racist, so yeah, it's not a joke. It's, yeah, we just call him a black or slavery. So I think that is my bad story. And not for me, it's for my friends. So I hope my friends not call black and slavery again.
Time's up.
Okay. Okay, applause. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Kevin, count 1, 2, 3, please. Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Hafizah. Hafizah. Where is Hafizah?
Yes, sir.
You choose. You choose someone. You choose someone.
Ranti.
Ranti. Okay. So Ranti, you are going to be the speaker. So in this case, Raihan, you become the timekeeper, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Well, Ranti, you can start from now.
Hi everyone, my name is Ranti. I'm working in one of the agent property in Jakarta Selatan. So this is my house. This is the American dream house. So for the youngster like us, maybe if you would like to invest for a dream house, why don't you come to my place, this cluster Bashara? It's a very nice house. They have 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms. Of course, we would like giving you also a bonus if you pay with the cash. However, if you would like to pay with the bank like a credit, we would like also to help you to make your dream house come true. This house is just an example. You can customize whichever design you have in your mind. So if you would like to have American dream house like this behind me, you can contact me directly. Or you can also call my developer office that I would like to tell you later after this presentation. So everyone, why don't you come here to Cluster Bashara to visit us and discuss your dream house? Maybe you can buy your dream house for your future with your spouse later on or
Time's up.
for yourself.
Yay!
Thank you.
Very good. Wow.
Yay!
I want to buy. I want to buy.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I want to sign out and then I will go to Ranti house right now.
Okay. Ranti, 1, 2, 3. Ranti, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Don't forget to score, yeah. Don't forget to score, yeah.
Don't forget to buy the house.
Okay, Ranti now. Okay.
Yay, myself. I can choose someone.
Yeah, you choose someone.
Who's left there?
Yeah.
Who's Hafiza?
Hafiza. Oh, revenge. Taking a revenge. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Hafiza. You Ranti or Raihan? You Raihan, you become a timekeeper, okay?
Okay. So, Hafiza, you can start from 3, 2, 1. Please start.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dear esteemed faculty member, honored guests, fellow graduates, and beloved family and friends. It is with profound gratitude and humility that I stand before you today as the recipient of the prestigious title of the Best Wisudawan. This moment is not just a personal achievement, but a reflection of the collective support, guidance, and inspiration I have received through my academic journey. To the esteemed faculty member, I extend my deepest appreciation for your dedication, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Your mentorship has not only equipped me with knowledge, but has also instilled me a passion for continuous learning and growth. I am truly grateful for the invaluable lesson and insight you have imparted on me. To my beloved family and friends, words cannot express the depth of my gratitude for your unwavering love, support, and encouragement. Your belief in me has been a source of strength and motivation, and I'm forever indebted out to each of you for standing by my side every step of this journey. As the best Wisudawan, I'm keenly aware of the responsibility that comes with this honor. I'm committed to upholding the values of excellence,
Time is up.
integrity, and
Yeah,
service.
applause, applause. Okay.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Yeah.
you, thank you.
Okay. Great, great. So you are going to be the speaker in the next Wisuda, yeah? Hafiza.
Yeah, very formal.
Amin.
I like that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, Hafiza. 1, 2, 3.
3. Stop.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, Burhan, you choose. Burhan, you choose. You have Andiska or Ervina?
I'm sorry, Mbak Vina.
Ervina. Okay, Raihan, still timekeeper. Okay.
Okay, Ervina, you can start from 1, 2, 3, please.
Hi everyone. So today, I'm Ervina Kathleen. So today I will explain about my new job. Is I'm working at restaurant Jepang, and a lot of the people know about Hokbang. You know Hokbang. I'm working at the Rawamangun. It is a restaurant Jepang, and it is teach me about culture Japan and some food about restaurant Japan, and I met a lot of the people at the various character, and uh, Hokben have some menu like across rimroll. Maybe you're familiar with across rimroll or another. And if you are to know about a lot the menu, you can order at the Grab or the Shopee Food or the Gojek. Maybe there's a lot discount. And that's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, applause, applause.
Plus, so we have to open iftar together after this to Hoka Window.
Okay. Yeah. Invitation by Ervina, yeah?
Yeah.
And Raihan will pay for everybody. Okay,
I do.
Raihan, you have the only one. You are
Yay.
the only one. Now you choose Andiska or Burhan.
Adiska, please.
Andiska. Okay, timekeeper, Raihan.
Okay, Adiska, you can start from now, please.
Hello everyone. Do you see in here? This is a special orange from Mandarin. It's so sweet, but we can taste this orange because we're doing it. We're doing the iftar. This special Mandarin orange, so sweet. It doesn't too sour. It comes very gently soft and smooth in your mouth. And the seed in the fruit is so less than most of the common orange. So it can make you enjoy the meat from the orange more than the others. Like okay, and you can get this only $15 per kilos, and you will get special offer if you buy this on 5 p.m. before the breaking iftar. That's it for me. Thank you guys.
Okay, applause, applause.
Game plus.
So
Adiska, you have to try it to confuse people.
No.
No. Hey, okay, that is very sesat. You know, that is very sesat.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Andiska. So we don't need to go to Mandarin. We can visit Andiska in his house. Okay, now we have Burhanuddin. Yay! Yeah, Raihan, timekeeper. This one
Okay,
is going.
Burhanuddin.
Yeah, this one is going to be 1 hour. Okay.
Until iftar, ya.
Okay. Yeah. Start.
Okay,
Raihan.
Burhan, you can start from 1, 2, 3, please.
So, hello everybody. My name is Burhanuddin. Talking about the story of Kevin, I want to continue the story. Yes, line because it's related to me. Back in the day when I was a junior high school, I'm out to become a bullier. Yes, like Kevin said, I the trouble with some weakness student and bully him every day. But not like the what is that punching or is just the verbal word and some uh verbal word again. Yeah, every day I bully him until he's gone to not a gone, but he's leaving the school because of that. I I the the higher teacher to come to counseling, and that everyone that me and some of my friend bullying him is getting this, what is it? Not the Discord, but just uh what is that it game name it I, we like that, but yes, tomorrow I when the some student like bully is gone, tomorrow next is me that become a bullier, that I become bully. Everyone else the classroom is bullying me.
Time is up.
Okay. Thank you, Rahan. You stop him because the more he talks, the more I'm going to cry.
This is very sad story,
I'm
sir.
very sorry. I'm
Very
very
sad
sorry.
story.
Burhan,
But
I'm very...
I find that Burhan is getting distracted from Kevin because Kevin is having his brush his hair.
No,
So
yeah.
Burhan kind of
Yeah,
distracted
yeah.
like this.
I think what Kevin did is not giving a speech, but he's giving motivation. Yeah.
Ah, motivation.
Okay, everybody. I think that is. Oh, Fanny Fatima. One more, Fanny Fatima. Okay, are you okay, Fanny?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay,
sorry,
Raihan.
sir.
One more student, please. One more friend. Big
Okay,
patient.
Fanny, you can give the speech from 1, 2, 3. Please start.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Fanny Fatima, and now I work at one of school near of my house. And there I get a position that I teaching a small children that starting from 4 years old and until 6 years old. So there I can teach them that I can teach read alif bata, and I teach them about ABCD also. So, but in that teaching also I can get many experience that what that something their characters also tested my passion. So, but I'm very happy because I can near with small children and because they can cheer my up when I feel sad. Okay, thank you.
Applause, applause. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, yes. Everybody. Thank you, Raihan. Thank you, Ranti, for becoming the timekeeper. And because the time is up, I'm very sorry for taking your time. But this is a very
Sir,
this is very a wonderful class, very wonderful session. Everybody seems to be very enthusiastically performing. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So we close the class. Yeah, happy having your itifar or breaking fast today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to buy a house. I'm going to learn Arabic from Penny Fatima. Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
See you next
warahmatullahi
week.
Thank you,
Bye.
Happy
sir.
iftar
Assalamualaikum
for
warahmatullahi
everyone.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
everyone.
Kevin, sholat dulu Kevin.
Thank you,
sir,
Din.
saya
Very
Selamat
bingung.
sore, Din.
very good. Okay. Thank you, Andiska. Thank you, Kevin,
Ya.
Ervina. Yeah.